continuing with more of the mystical universe. Now I'm going to welcome a special guest. Guest we know, a friend we know, a colleague, Hortensia. How are you? Hello, how are you on this special day? Of course, we're going to tell her that we always meet at some event, we're always here, and always trying to arrange this meeting. Exactly. What is this wonder we have here? Tell me. Well, basically, quantum accessories are accessories that connect or move you with the Earth. They connect you with your quantum double as well. Yes, we are all energy. We all have a quantum field, whether it's people, animals, all living beings, and also stones. We all have it because we are this energy. Yes. And well, what this quantum accessory does is connect you with that quantum double that you have, and it aligns you. For example, we are born with an original base frequency, and throughout our entire lives, we generate oxidative stress, right? Through everything we consume, all of us lose energy. It's like our battery starts to run low. Sure, it starts to run, works halfway. We come with 100%, and then it starts to run low throughout our lives, and we start to have a little lower energy. That's where quantum accessories exactly would be more or less like, well, for example, come from the tree with an original frequency. And when you eat food that is not that done, all foods have different frequencies. The more processed the food is, the lower its frequency is. The more organic, the more natural it is. And, well, especially when it comes to foods that are plant-based, they have a higher frequency. If we consume foods that are canned or preserved with preservatives, this causes us oxidative stress. So at zero quantum, when you place a zero quantum 50 centimeters from any hill, it can also be done with ionizer. You can also ionizer with the accessory. Place this underneath. Then you can test it, test what it has. Be there for 7 minutes, for example, with the accessory to be able to ionize the water, program the water. Sure, exactly. Because, we know that according to Tesla, everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. So water also has a certain energy, and you can also change the frequency of the water with music. This and with the accessory, what it does is generate a resonance with any living being with water too, which is what it does is this connects us with the quantum field of any living being, and this provided with the necessary ions, because the accessory is an accessory, this of German technology that is intelligent. So what it will do when generating this quantum field, this resonance, is to raise your vibration frequency up to 3 times more. The origin is German, you told me. Yes, it was invented by a German quantum physicist, but it is manufactured in the United States. It is industrialized in the United States. It is imported. Perfect. Good. How did you come to know about the accessories? Well, it turns out that I was in financial markets, and I met a girl from that group. I met a girl from Argentina. She is from Uruguay, but I lived in Argentina. And, well, she invited me, Mariana, who I send a greeting to Mariana, who is watching. She invited me. You have to go to have your chakras aligned, she told me. Go to this event where they will align your chakras. I said, well, I'll go because, I'll go to anything they invite me to. And besides, I've always liked all these types of mystical things. And that's where you learn about the accessories. And I went to yes, exactly. I went to the event. This I had requested the day before. I had expressed it because the day before I had been meeting with a friend, and I told her, I had a problem with my hand. I don't know if you can see it here. Yes, it's healed now. I'm a teacher, and after the pandemic, my hands were left with dermatitis do with this issue here. I think it was a dermatological problem from using Inks alcohol gel, which they gave us a lot. So when I got to the event, which I was a little late, I saw that it said this, the quantum XA faster wound healing, and I had gone to have my chakra aligned. I didn't expect that, but anyway, they surprised me, and I said, well, it does heal wounds faster. I have one here to experiment with. I asked to try it. Anyone who wants to try it? Yes, I want to try it, so I'll put it up here. And when it was there, the doctor who was there, Romina Milano, told me she was the one who was there. We know her, we sent her a hug. I couldn't be there either because she's Romina Tormo. She's Romina Tormo. Romina Tormo is from our team, but at that time, Romina Milano was there. She's the company's researcher. And also, CEO, Luis Fernando Del Rio, was there. They were at that event, and well, that's where I met them both. I didn't even know what I was going to, but anyway, I put on the accessory, and during the talk, which was, I don't know, about an hour or so, I took off the scarred accessory, and I was like, what? What is this? This one, well, this one was like this, because I actually tested it on myself. This is something I've been saying for a long time. If I could find something, I would wash my hair, and with gloves or not, I could use a special shampoo, my hands with the activator, and, well, it was simply, for me, it was wonderful. And I said, this has to come to your own. It has to be here. And from that, what are the benefits? Let's see, we talked about the healing part, but what other benefits does using the quantum accessory give you? Well, benefits, there are endless benefits because this works. It doesn't work on illness. It works on frequency. So when working on the issue of vibrational frequency, what does it do? It helps you in everything. It doesn't only help you in the physical part, but it helps you in the 7 areas. In the physical, energetic, emotional, spiritual, mental, in the relationship part, in the economic part. We met people who suddenly have come who didn't have something special. For example, not an illness or anything, for example, but I don't know, they had fought with their ex, for example, and they were still there, and I don't know, well, they got back together with their ex, for example. Whoever wants to, right? But this, or you see immediate changes. Yes, I can't tell you the time because that also depends on the person's frequency. As you raise your vibrational frequency up to 3 times, there are people who already come with a slightly higher frequency, and others who are more like this. At the events that you are at, because there are always a few, there is a demonstration that they do that is quite impressive. They sit a person in a chair and 4 of them try to lift that person up, and they usually can't. Exactly. You put it on the accessory. I saw this, I'm going to say. You put it on the accessory, and those same 4 people lift that person up in a chair that they couldn't do 5 minutes before. It's like it gives them an extra load. Exactly. For that reason, I mean, everything works for you because your cells are quickly restructured. The atoms they are going to restructure themselves. They are going to achieve this frequency as similar as possible to what it was when you were born. And, well, that's all it is. We have this in several presentations. Contraindications, right? It has no contraindications because it can be used by pregnant mothers, for example, babies, pets, animals, right? With step marks either. Pets, hey, look at this. Tell me if this isn't amazing. No, they're not. No. Attention, animal lovers. Yeah. Look at what this is. It's beautiful. Look, we're gonna have a partner who has Coco, who is her dog. It would be great for Coco. Of course it is. Well, I love this proposal. I saw how it works, and well, there we have the Instagram. We have how to find you and how to get to the quantum accessories for all the people who are resonating with this, right? Light, they want to try it and want to see and experience what it feels like. Exactly. No, I've had it close by because we've tested it. We've tested it, and another important thing to note, one is, what are the things that the accessory doesn't have? As we said, it doesn't have magnets, so it doesn't interfere with anyone who has a pacemaker or a prosthesis, for example. Okay? It doesn't have batteries, it doesn't have a battery, so it lasts forever if you take care of it. It charges in the sun, so there are no people who say, well, I'm going to charge the accessory in the sun. No. If the person feels like doing it because they have that feeling, well, it's possible that it will be better for them because they simply think about it. Remember that everything that is in your mind is this. It manifests itself. And, well, another important thing is that we are promoters of this quantum accessory. Yes, and it is good to always consult promoters, right? For example, the quantum accessory is also seen on Mercado Libre, that it is sold, but that is actually prohibited. From the company, when they see a person, they have to go to the consultant because they are the ones who... Exactly, because this is also direct sales, right? We have doctors, we have a whole system that supports the person who buys the accessory, which is not the same as what you go to buy on Mercado Libre. It has different support. Well, it is highly recommended for everyone. You know how to contact Hortensia to acquire these wonders, this new technology. Before I go, I am going to show you how divine I have here because I have my nails done by Mariana. Look how beautiful. Mariana from Blue Effects. You know where you are today. Look, I have them shorter. I cut them a little bit. We did it. They will grow back. Called Mariana and made an appointment to have spectacular nails. Highly recommended. Yeah. Thank you, Hortensia, for the visit and for bringing all these wonderful accessories, for inviting me, and to all my friends, thank you very much. We will see each other very, very soon. Have a beautiful day.